Hello, for today's video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to delete your Instagram cache. So you need to access your settings in order to clear that cache. So scroll down and tap apps. Manage apps. Then you will search Instagram. Press storage. And you're going to clear data and clear cache. Just press OK and press uninstall. So it's already uninstalled. Then you'll go again to the Play Store and you'll just install the Instagram again. And that's how you remove the Instagram cache. Thought this video was helpful. Can't wait till it loads and then locate more content like this by clicking the subscribe button.